All right, so now that we've put our starter wort inside of a water bath, it's time to go ahead and add our first charge of bittering hops. I'm doing 1.5 ounces here to start off with. This happens to be Hallertau for what I'm making, which is a Vienna lager. So you just want to dump them in. These are pellet hops, which are essentially whole hops that have then been ground up into a powder, and then they're compressed into little pellets. And you want to make sure you stir them in really good so that way they get incorporated, because as it boils they will move up along the sides. So that's just something to keep aware of and keep an eye out for. So that's adding your hops. So this first charge of hops is known as our bittering hops, and we're adding it at the 60-minute mark, which means we now have 60 minutes left in our boil, and that's pretty much the max amount of time that you're going to use to get bitterness out of your hops. After that point, you're not really going to attain much bitterness from the boiling, because the longer that the hops boil, the more bitterness they will provide, but the less flavor. So you gotta balance those two properties when dealing with your hop additions in your beer for the kind of recipe that you're going for.